I'm right now started filtrating, and I getting some kind of problem. That solution have another kind of metal, and that metal gives us rose color. It looks like rose color, you see. Gold is separates, but this one not precipitate. It just stays rose color, like I don't know what to say. I be keeping separately. We'll see what we get it here. So there's something else is in these rocks, not just the gold. And like you see, I getting problem after problem because I have another metals here. So I'm right now in the process of filtrating, and this rose color stays. So I separating them. We'll see what we get. Okay. And when I finish with this one, I be smelting, and then I show you the gold. And that material I add little bit more aluminum, and on the surface you see some kind of light material. It's maybe tin metal. And the bottom I have black powder. I think this is not a gold. So aluminum is already, I think, is done. No more aluminum. Just let him settle down. Oh, it's still a little bit. Let him settle down. Then I separately filtrate that powder and save it for future. But you see, I getting some kind of rose color, and I don't know what is that. It's not a gold. Gold is purple, and gold already settled down on the bottom. Like, look in this beaker. Gold is on the bottom. Wait, how to show you? You see that? I can't even show you. Then the bottom, like 1 centimeter, and on the top is rose color material. Oh, not enough information about this, so I save it and we'll see what's happened. I got that purple color. I don't know that what kind of metal is this. Anybody knows? Can you tell me? Because I know that this purple color is not a gold. You see, it's purple. Gold already precipitated and staying on the filter. Or this solution is a purple or some kind of rose color, and I don't know what this is. So gold is brown. I can see when I look in the sun, I see the brown. So that mystery thing. So in this solution supposed to be tin metal, and that what I don't know. Okay, so I thinking I be using again aluminum, and tin metal be floating on the surface. This one metal be going on the bottom. This is not the gold. Okay, it's too purple. You see color? Continue, almost finishing the filtration, and then I be just melting that little piece of gold. So I work with aluminum, recover this one. What is there is saved separately somewhere in little bottle, and take away the tin metal, which one be floating on the surface. Those what I get it, I be smelting, and that must be gold. Okay, let's continue. At last that filtration is over. I need to just right now work on this mystery metal, which one makes me purple color. and if I get it something, then I save it for future, because I don't know what this metal is here. Okay, so let's see right now what we do. Taking almost liter, transferring that juice here, adding water, dilute it. It's still the main thing, you see, nothing on the bottom. It's not the gold. And this time I be using zinc metal. Okay, look how nice purple color. It's like gold, but there's nothing, no gold. So let's see. I have some zinc powder. Let's see what's happening. Okay. We don't need a lot because everything is already here. I just need to know what kind of stuff I'm getting. I think what this is on surface, you see? On surface, swimming, okay? That is a tin metal. So you can even take a spoon and remove it. That is tin metal, you see? Tin. Okay? Metal, which one? It's a lot of tin is going. You see, this is tin. That way I'm removing tin from this solution, and I be reusing that tin. Okay. Good, tin swims because it's reactive metal and it swims on the surface. So that way you can remove it before do anything else. And tin first came out, you know. See, clean. Now we got solution little bit more purple, very nice color. See, tin is here. So let's add another bunch of tin metal, not tin metal, or zinc metal. Okay, and still tin coming. A lot of tin is going. See, let him work till it stops working, and then we taking out. I see tin is like gray color material. That is our tin what I use to precipitate the gold in those places. So that way we no waste. Tin is expensive. Try to get it. And see how much more tin coming. And then after I just put hydrochloric acid and I get back tin chloride. You see, tin is more active. It comes out from solution first. So that way I try to putting little amounts to recover that tin first. Okay. Thing. Nothing on the bottom, just sand. My tin have little sand, so that is a problem. But look how easy that recover that tin metal. It's so easy. Okay. I wish gold be like that. But you just take a spoon and scrap it all those little pieces. And that's it. Nothing else came out. What is this phenomenon? My first time I see extra adding more zinc. And you see, almost no reaction. So means everything what was all metals was in solution already taken out. So yeah, I never think about this kind of things to happen. Yeah, you see, when it's no metals in solution, that zinc not reacting with solution anymore. That's it. Everything is out. This is left with just like water. Okay? So now I got all my zinc back. This is what I was using to recover that gold. It's like a sponge. You can take it all like, you see? You can squeeze it. You get like clay. That is our tin metal. I can smelt it if I want, but I not do this. And right now, I don't know why it was purple. It's some kind of new thing all the time. All the time you work with that. So you see zinc swimming on the surface and nothing coming back. So, okay, close the box. Good that I use zinc. And the bottom, nothing. It's just sand. That is this zinc. My zinc contains some sand. Maybe company was shredding with some kind of, I don't know. So let him react right now, and then next step is to dissolve all this zinc in hydrochloric acid, and we will see what we get. Wow, clear water, you see? Clear water. Zinc remove it, I got clear water. Okay, so now left smelt all those things. Maybe I make another video, so that be less problem for me. Okay. So tin metal, tin chloride, gold, when precipitates gold, there may be microscopic pieces of gold still left in that solution. So we will see what's happened when I dissolve this tin in hydrochloric acid, what we get. But you see how easy with the tin, look. Okay, let him finish. With the solution? It's water and that sand. That sand is in my zinc powder. So okay, now I'm transferring this everything to beaker and putting hydrochloric acid, and we will see what we get it. If I get some kind of debris on the bottom, it means gold. If nothing, then I just see something new in my life. Okay, so adding hydrochloric acid and try to dissolve tin metal and get making back how say this, stannous chloride. Okay, hydrochloric acid, put the heat on, and this is the way we'll be making stannous chloride from what we got. This is a tin metal. What we just got, it is like a clay, guys, so you can play with this. So right now hydrochloric acid starts working. It's still getting just started, and if something stays on the bottom, that means it's a gold. And what that purple was, what was getting purple, there was colloidal gold and tin solution. Okay, that way we're learning something. So I transfer all this gold filters in the crucible. I need to burn everything, and I want to show you something. Here fell down on, and look how gold looks. that black stuff fell on the side and it became gold color. You see? Now I don't know how to remove it. I clean it, but it went inside the crucible. That is a gold ice. Okay, so right now I'm drying out. Oh my gosh, my finger's golden too. See? Yeah, I need to use the gloves. I know that. So, okay. So what's happening with the tin metal now? Oh, it's everything when you do in one time so many things. Everything dissolve it. Heat is off. Let's see, do we get something on the bottom? Okay, and this goes on the heat. They're still dissolving tin metal. And I see brown. You see? Maybe it's a little bit. No, nothing on the bottom. So let them dissolve. Drying out all those filters and getting ready to smelt that stuff. Okay. We'll see what we get it. This is cotton. So that's supposed to burn. Almost drying out. I'm putting some borax. Okay, and be putting and getting smelt. Okay, tin metal dissolved with there's some little amount of debris. So right now I'm filtrating, and looks like we have little gold color on surface. When I'm getting sun light on that, I see the brown. So I'm filtrating rest. Let's count this gold because it looks like brown color. And this is our tin chloride right now. Remember that I put it hydrochloric acid, everything dissolved. There's some debris, and those debris looks like brown color. So that means that colloidal gold, not all filtrates. It was like, you know, it's okay, fine. So right now this is getting ready to put the smelt. So I may be right now putting in and finish this work. Tin metal dissolved, there's some little amount of debris. So right now I'm filtrating, and looks like we have little gold color on surface. When I'm getting sun light on that, I see the brown. So I'm filtrating rest. Let's count this gold because it looks like brown color. And this is our tin chloride right now. Remember that I put it hydrochloric acid, everything dissolved. There's some debris, and those debris looks like brown color. So that means that colloidal gold, not all filtrates. It was like, you know, it's okay, fine. So right now this is getting ready to put the smelt. So I may be right now putting in and finish this work. See, look on the sides. On the sides when it's dry, I was drying out, I see the gold color over here too. So that black one right away become a gold color. So right now I'm putting and smelting. Forget that gold. I added in my microwave thing, and let's smelt it. I set 8 minutes. Start. Okay, finish. Need to add another 2 minutes. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, gold is everywhere. See, gold, very little piece, but I don't think so I can take it out. I see like 3, 4, 5 pieces. Need to put it back, add another gold, and smelt it. This no work. Need to add little bit bigger piece, and then smelt everything, then everything be collected in one place. Okay, so I'm going back. I need to get the gold. I'll be adding little piece, which one weighs 389. Okay, let him stay here, and then that way I can collect all the gold. Another way it looks like is too much trouble. Because of that, it's already hot, I put 6 minutes. That gold which one dissolves, supposed to collect all those little pieces which ones all over the place. You see where it's a bad thing? When you do filters right away smelting, is they're always everywhere. So that way I used a bigger piece of gold. I took a bait, and we will see how much more be after this smelt. Okay, so let it go. Everything smelted, all filters disappear, and I try to catch all the gold pieces. Which one is separate, like with mercury. Okay, dokie. Looks like one more. Okay. Shoo. Still one. No, there's no gold. Okay. I think I got everything in pieces. Okie dokie. Sometimes stuff happen. One hand is one hand. I got those one pieces. Now I go clean it and wait. This kind of gold, 2 pieces. I'll be resmelting this everything, but right now I want to see how much is. 441. How much we have? 389. And now 441. Wow. 41 was saying, no, okay, 40. So I got half a gram of gold invisible from those rocks, okay? So now I go smelting one blob, because I don't like separate pieces. One more time. Okay, looks like now I collect everything. Whew. That's it. Now I'm complete. Let him put back. Oh, it looks ugly, but it's okay. Oh, not even I got a little bit. Remember catching the last piece? That got it, another one. So it's half a gram, guys. Okay. So I'm finished. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. See you next time.